What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a super quick video just with the JV Weld windshield saver. Katie's got a brand new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L that's only got like 3,000 miles on it. It's already got a rock chip on the windshield. It hasn't gotten any worse, but I'm going to try and fill it in and kind of hide it a bit. So we'll open this up, we'll take a look at the steps required, and then we'll take care of it. But before we do that, let's go check out the car and just take a look at the chip. So, kind of hard to see. Let's see if it'll focus. Pretty minor, but I'd like for some of that coloring to go away. I can hardly even feel it, actually. You can just feel the little chip. So I'm hoping we can get that to fill. Coloring goes away, and hopefully it won't expand or crack further in the future. So I'm going to start by cleaning this off. Windshield's a little dirty, and then we'll look at the directions, and we'll go from there. Alright, so let's take a look at the kit itself. Steps seem to be pretty easy. Just going to prep it, put the disc on it. There's a pedestal and some resin. Pull vacuum on it, pressurize, and should be able to remove the little pedestal and then do some curing. So this kit should come with everything you need. It does fix, we have a bullseye chip, fixes stars, half moon combo. So hopefully it takes care of our bullseye and makes it a little less messy. Alright, here's the kit. Go through the list here. We're just going to prepare, use the disc, pedestal, kind of everything I said already. We prepare with a little pin. We're going to remove any damaged glass or loose pieces of glass within the repair area. We'll use a prep wipe here, I believe. And then we're going to put the disc on there, followed by the pedestal, and then the resin. And we'll use a syringe. So let's hop over there, we'll clean it out, and then we'll get this guy on there. Right there. And we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm hoping you guys can see this okay. We're going to start with our little pin here. I don't think we have anything in here, just because of the nature of our chip here. I think we're okay. Use our prep wipe. We'll let that dry, and then we're going to put our little circle right on top. Alrighty, now that we're dry, we're going to take a little pedestal tape thing here and remove the green side. And we're going to put that right over the spot that is impacted. So right there. Put it on there good. We're going to go on the inside of the car and make sure that there are no air bubbles. A little tough to see here, but I don't see any air bubbles. See if we can zoom in a little bit. Again, kind of hard to see, but no air bubbles there. Alright, the instructions then say to remove this side. I'm going to get it loose here. We're going to place our pedestal on here. Try and get it nice and centered. Make sure we got it on there good. Okay, now we're going to get a resin. We're going to place this is we're going to place all of our resin in there. So we're going to remove the cap and cut off the tip of the resin tube. So let me grab that and we'll do that. Alright. place it in there. Squeeze it on in. I don't really tell you how much to use. Alrighty. Next step is going to be using the syringe. It says to carefully twist in until it is in securely. Looks to be pretty secure. It says gently pull the plunger upward. And it says to lock in the plunger at the second notch. So the notch closest to the bottom of the syringe. So looking here, we have a notch here and here. I'm gonna do that one. So I'm gonna pull it up. This is pulling vacuum. We'll lock it on the metal there. From there, it says it's gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. And yeah, we'll come back in 10. All right, it's been a little over 10 minutes. This is now to temporarily remove the syringe from the plunger. It's going to release vacuum. You heard the vacuum there. And then it says to, keeping it locked in the second position, we're going to put it back on here. And then we're going to push it down to the first position. So we'll tighten that down. Gonna twist that. Pull that to the first position. And then it says to let it sit for 20 minutes. After this, we're going to remove the syringe and the pedestal. And we're going to clean it up and put some curing strip on it and move it out into the sun. In the meantime, should give us enough time. I'm gonna go mow the lawn real quick and come back and finish this up. All right, it's been 20 minutes. My lawn's mowed. Life is good. This is saying after 20 minutes, remove this syringe. Let me pull this out. Set this to the side for now. Not for now, I guess permanently, but then this is saying to use a safety razor, which is supplied, as you saw, to remove the pedestal and disc from the glass. Some excess here, so just trying to work this off. Alrighty, and the last step is to add the film. This little guy here, I'm gonna put it on top, but we're gonna put some extra residue stuff on there. We're gonna pull it out into the sun and just let it soak for a bit. So hopefully we got some left in here. Add a little drip, so that'll work. So we're gonna pull this out and then we're gonna let it sit in the sun for at least 15 minutes. And then we'll clean it up from there. Alright, so we've been curing for a little bit now. We're just going to peel this back. Supposed to do that carefully. That was carefully. I got some to clean up there. Do not want to focus for you guys. Well, it's hard to see, but looking at it, it did an okay job. I'm gonna pull it back into the garage and take a look from the inside. Alrighty, guys. So I waited until I just waited a little later, hoping that we could see this a little better. But I don't think the camera wants to focus on it. But we can still see it just a little bit. And I'm really trying to show you guys it here, but I didn't expect it to go away completely. But if we go inside, it's almost you almost can't see it at all. Let me see if I can get it to focus if I put my hand on the other side. You see it there? A little better. So it's improved. It used to be quite a bit more dark all the way around. So just looking at it now, man, I really wish you guys could see this. It did a lot better. It's there, but from inside you really can't see it. Maybe a little bit. So it got a lot better. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna end the video in this thing. Overall, I think the process was super easy. I did it while I was restoring some headlights and mowing the lawn. It takes about an hour total, I would say. Pretty easy, not hard at all. I've never done one before, and I think the results are pretty good. You can go pay somebody like 50-60 bucks to do this, sometimes maybe $100, or this JB Weld kit I think was only like 13 bucks at Walmart. So for the results that I see, and I wish I could show you guys a little bit better, but it is improved. I'll try to do a little side-by-side before and after. It's tough to show it, but the results are definitely worth, 13, 14, 15 bucks over whatever it is on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description to Amazon. I bought it at Walmart, I think, so you should be able to get it there too. But let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys can kind of tell that it did work. I let the curing material sit on the car, or on the windshield in the sun for about 40 minutes or so, and it was actually pretty tough to come off. So I'm pretty confident that this will last for a while. It says to only let that sit for about 20 minutes, so just FYI. But let me know what you guys think. Again, link in the description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.